All right, so welcome to today's OLSP system review. Okay, so this is awesome, isn't it? Now, this is a case study because in this case study, I want to show you how I progress with this system. Okay, how I make money almost every day with the system. So I just want you to see that. And this is also a challenge. I'm putting a challenge to myself. Okay, so I want to get to $10,000 in the next few months, and that's why I'm challenging myself to get to that $10,000. Okay, and you can come along in this journey. All right, now just look at how much I have made already. Can you look at this? $5,320. That's where I am right now. Look at that again. $5,320. So I'm just over halfway to the $10,000. Okay, and you can see the dates as the sales are coming. They are almost daily, right? And then you can see the commissions as they are popping in. Awesome, isn't it? That is amazing. All right, so now you'll be asking, what is this system I'm talking about? So let's go to the dashboard. All right, so this system is called the OLSP system. All right, and look, this system is awesome because you make money with the system and you are paid straight to your bank account. Okay, now I want to quickly show you some of the commissions that I have collected so far with this system. Okay, so let's go and check some of the commissions that I've collected. Awesome. Now, can you see this? So you can see I received a commission of $1,508 straight into my bank account, okay, with this system. So this is awesome. Very credible system. You make the money, they pay you consistently and very quickly, almost weekly, as long as you make the money, right? So you can see that $1,508. Let's check another one that I received. Can you see this? $1,027. That's what I got from the same company. And let's check another one before we are done. I received $1,004. So you can see that this is an awesome company. Okay, you promote their system, you make money with the system, and you are paid promptly. It's amazing, isn't it? I'm sure you are getting to like them already, just like I like them right now. All right, so what is this system? Let's go to my notes. So this system is called the OLSP $7 system. Why do I call it the $7 system? Because it only costs you $7. One time payment, no monthly fees. So this is amazing for brand new beginners because it just costs you only $7. One time payment. There are no monthly fees with this system. How do you like that? I love it, right? I just love it because look, you don't have to think of paying monthly fees. You don't have to think of paying any other fee. You just pay $7 and you are in business. So simple, right? And look, when you pay your $7, you are going to get a link. That link is called a mega link. Let me show you the link. Let me show you the link. Let's come back here. So you see the promotional link. That is the link there. It's called a mega link. Now, what do you gain from this mega link? Now, when you promote the mega link, you share it with your friends on Facebook or TikTok, wherever you like. When you share that link and your friends join the system, okay, you could earn commissions from over 7 different income streams. So this is powerful because you are only buying one product or one link, whatever you call it, but you are getting paid on 7 different income streams. Now, that's not all. You are going to be paid on low ticket products, medium ticket products, and high ticket products. So you could earn commissions as low as $7. You could also earn commission as high as $50, $100, $500, $1,000, even $2,600 in commission just promoting a $7 link. This is an amazing system, and that's why you see I'm able to make money very, very fast with the system. All right, now, so now, how much does this system cost you? Just like I've told you, $7. One-time payment. No monthly fees, guys. No monthly fees. It's powerful. Now, let me give you more shocker about this system, okay? Now, when you pay your $7, you are going to get some free bonuses. Let's go to bonuses. So you're going to get some free bonuses, okay? But one bonus is very unique, and that bonus is a free software. Let me show you the software. Look at it here. This free software is called the Comment Dominator Pro software. Now, with this software, you can comment on the company's Facebook post and you will be paid guaranteed commission by the company. Where do you see that? This is literally free money, right? All you do, you sign into the free software and you start commenting on Facebook posts, and once your posts are approved, you will earn commission. So you will be earning daily commissions just commenting on Facebook posts with a free software. So you can see that this is so awesome, isn't it? All right, let me not waste your time. So if you are ready right now and you want to join the OLSP $7 system, this is what you have to do right now. So go below this video you are watching right now, just like this, okay? Now, once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join the OLSP system. So go ahead, click that first link, just like this. All right, so once you click the first link, that should bring you to this page, okay? Now, this is the mega link that I'm telling you about, all right? Now, so look, when you pay your $7, you are going to get a link just like mine, all right? So what you want to do when you are here, just enter your first name here, enter your best email address here, then you see the box that says I'm not a robot. Go ahead, check that box. Then you see the blue button that says send me my login details. Then do this, click on that blue button. Now, once you click on the blue button, that should bring you to this page. This is called a video sales page, okay? Now, what you want to do, you can go ahead and watch the video, but to join the system, come below the video to this orange box that says click here to get instant access. Awesome, right? Now, how much did I tell you it cost you? Look at it here. Just $7. One-time payment. No monthly fees, guys. No monthly fees. So go ahead. Click that orange box, pay your $7, and your system will be created just like this. All right? It's awesome, isn't it? Now, if you are ready to join my team today, this is what I'm offering you. I'm offering you free one-on-one training with me, free one-on-one coaching, free one-on-one mentoring. So I'm going to work with you. I'm going to assist you in any way that I can until you start making substantial amount of money with this awesome system, okay? So guys, if you like this video, please click the like button. We need that your thumb up, okay? And also make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can follow me as I get to the $10,000 mark, all right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.